go inside. What do you see? Did you say you feel it's a little bees? Did you say there's a few bees? Nah, this is perfect. You see the amount there. We'll be able to remove whatever we can. The rest we'll have to just. Hello again, all you beautiful people. So this is the second job on the same property from earlier on. And this tree, fortunately we don't want to chop down the trees, but the tree is hollow. And our good man over there, Ismail, and his trusty companion, he or they will be assisting in removing the tree. As you can see, the bees are active. That's the entry point over there. Can you see it? We're going to clear up a bit, make it a bit more better view for you guys. Yeah, so let's get cracking. I want to record it, please.
You need to go deep, Hussein. You need to go deep.
No, we're not going deep now. We're deep in the other one. You can go deep.
You need to go deeper. Here's the comb. Al-Combe. Big bees here. Here we can see the entrance. These bees are buzzing. Actually, maybe even goes down further.
Yeah. See anything?
Yeah.
Wait. They want us to keep it down for 20 minutes. Ismail, you are a... Yeah, careful, bro. Don't break your neck. So you're worried still there's no queen? Yep. Are you more confident now? Are you more confident there's a queen? So, let's go inside. What do you see? Did you say you feel it's a little bees? Did you say there's a few bees? Nah, this is perfect. You see the amount there. We'll be able to remove whatever we can. The rest we'll have to just MacGyver. Yeah. Yeah. So, how's it going?
Nice. So let's see what's in store. No?
Take a bit of the top.
Let's see queen the first. Lovely, lovely. Lovely. Okay, you got to open it. Nice. And I can split in two.
Yeah.
Show them you. So
Do you want to see?
the queen's house.
No, you cannot see.
Nice. Two queen cells. Point your finger to it. Make it like a peanut. Two in the pink.
Two in the pink. One in the... Yeah.
Nice, man.
What is humor? Some humor in there.
Oh,
Some humor.
So the one cup is closed, one is open.
One cup. No. Now the humor's getting dirty.
Two girls Actually, $50,000.
bees, 1 cup.
That's indica. Dat is zo geloof, hè?
Yo, bro, we get the whole one, but I can't, because this piece I can't use it down there. And it goes back.
Put this over here. That's a moose piece. Jawel. Alright, man. Nice. Ah, it broke.
Sorry, man.
It broke, man.
We tried to
Can I
show you
stand with it?
what Africa looks like.
In the African hot sun, feeling like I'm someone. Show me the other queen cells.
In the African jungle, man.
We got the queen cell, we got the scutella, we got the capenzis.
The AMC.
Eh?
We've got the,
What'd you say?
the AMC. We have the AMC, not the ANC. What's it? Not Amaniska, what's it?
Amanus.
Mellifluous capensis.
Yeah, capensis mellifera, Apis mellifera capensis.
Here we go.
Yeah, that's all open.
Nicely. But I'll try.
Looks like you got it. Nice! Nice! Wow! Zane, you must hold the fan up. Don't let it fall, don't let it break.
Okay, okay. No pressure, no pressure.
No pressure.
No pressure, no pressure. I'm not going to try to hold it straight up, so I'm going to do this. So, yeah.
You must turn it the other way around.
I'm going to.
Alright, Zane, look at it. Snapshot. Wow! That's your 12 kilo copy.
You.
So maybe try to, if you can hold from the bottom and the top and stand up. That will really be
Thanks.
amazing.
Thanks for making it easier. Look at my cob, Afzal. This is what they call a bowl. This one's dedicated to you, Afzal. Mauli Sab, that's away on Umrah. Please make dua for us. Do you like it?
I love it.
Do you like my fish? It's called
It's called?
browniferous business. Can you see the fishy? Look at the fishy go. Look at the tail. Can you see the tail?
So you can hold it vertically then?
Do that. Are you happy with that?
Now you must say, Hakuna Matata.
Mama fish. Hakuna ma bibi.
Hakuna Matata.
Yeah.
Oh, let me take a picture of my phone.
Go for it.
But you need to try to stand up then. Look at that. Absolutely amazing.
Yo, where? Bro, where did you send it?
I think put my house, isn't it? Oh, more clean cells.
It's actually a peanut.
Yeah.
It's a peanut.
Pina colada. That's all I feel like.
Expensive peanut.
Another one.
So the nut in the shell.
What's that?
Yo, I feel like I'm dehydrated.
Look there.
Smoke.
4 queen cells. All closed. It's absolutely amazing. Here's a guy.
Damn
Here's
it.
he. Here's he.
Damn it, guy.
First time you got to drink here. Drink it. You're thirsty, you're walking the sun over. Out there. Nice. Nice. Hold on, hold on. Do it again. A hole in one.
I can see you.
hot.
Yeah, that's why you can see we're going crazy. the heat stroke.
And it's the smoke.
It's the
It's like a
You should put something else in
weird,
it.
a
You put
weird,
some-
some CBD in it. It's like a weird mystic vibe going on here.
Thank you. African roots.
This is bean.
African roots.
Crazy bean removal.
Wait.
Look at this. Look at this, huh? Yeah, I think gonna be for the other boxer. Ooh. I think they got me. I think they got me.
There's the drone. The droners. All the droners.
Oh, we're not gonna take that with us. It's a lot of drone cells.
Drones, baby, drones.
Oh, there's a drone.
Droners. Droners for the moaners. Are you ready for me? Are you ready for me? Are you ready for me? Here's the frames. What are you doing with those green cells? Putting it in the box. In the box. It's sunny. You gonna MacGyver? Where's Nazim? Come tell me there's a few bees here. Nazim! You fool! Sure. Where is he? Oh.
Yeah, but now we're using all the frames.
Wasn't that the idea?
What do you think?
Did you quote for removal or not removal of clearing of this tree?
No.
Hey?
No, we were never supposed to take off the tree. I told her we're gonna cut the tree.
Yeah, but you see, if he had to do that, the whole thing that when they drilled in, it was hollow.
Yeah, no, she understood and she said fine. I didn't tell her I'm taking it away.
So we don't have to take it away.
No,
So we're leaving it.
yeah, I'm not gonna take it away.
And when you quoted for Ismail,
I don't know.
you quote one rate.
Nazima said 650.
Yeah, but it's like, it's two jobs, so you had to come back again also. We must want him to just do one go.
Did you tell Nazim?
I did tell him.
What did he say?
So he said I'll speak to you. Okay, we'll sort it out later.
So he's asking basically.
No, I didn't. He didn't say anything. I just wanted to know what's the order because it's like, remember 650 for the machine, but
Yeah.
he was cutting. 650 was like, that was the most agreement last time.
Look, all I know is it was 650. That's all I know. I didn't know. I didn't know he was gonna come cut it. I only found out that he enough phone
Okay.
and he was explaining, and I said I'm not worried about it.
Okay.
Because I had a conversation with him,
Yeah.
and then yeah, but I didn't know it was. Look, it was a long day though. So.
Yeah, you see, if that's why we said okay, we would have opted for the Saturday. I don't know why they're talking about supervision.
You know, for the children. There's no one here to supervise the children. So basically,
Yeah, you can maneuver it. Is that brush? Where are the brush? But the tie is not going to be easy.
Look, otherwise, if I had used the whole box. And that's the way the internet is, they're going to climb up. See like that? That's enough.
Did you put the stamp underneath?
Yeah, let it fall on his cup.
Correct, man.
It's going to still be unstable down here.
Move camera this way, you must see this.
What are you saying about little bees? What are you saying about little bees?
Here's the box, and there's the bees.
Where's the queen?
So this is the story where the bees walk into the box. It's not gonna happen.
There's jobs. There's jobs. Not easy one. Queens. Not easy. Very elusive. Playing so hard to get.
Done.
What a day.
7 hours later.
7 hours. It was like 14 hours.
14 hours, bruh.
Exhausted, tired.
Job well done.
I think so. Bees removed.
Yeah, better than the previous person, but we were tried up. I don't know what they called
Yeah,
it.
you're right. So, look at right, man.
That one.
Anyway.
Yeah, so
let's see what happens next few weeks.
yeah, I know this, but what's this guy's name?
Stop trying to know people.
What's his
Alright,
name?
like, subscribe.
Yeah, so
Like, subscribe.
we saved. Job well done.
And it's time for?
I know this guy.
Time for.
You have to just MacGyver.